Alright, just got my replacement GoPro point and shoot grip. This is the one I made the video on last time. Obviously, still doing that. So we're going to look and see if this one has the same issue. So, just got it today. Brand new from GoPro. There's the box. Pull it out of the box. Not touching. And looks like we've got a winner. So I think we have fixed it. We'll do some investigation and figure out exactly what they have done to fix it, but hopefully it's okay. Alright, just to show the details between the old one. There's the old one again. Doesn't stick out that far. So we got a little bit. And the new one sticks out quite a bit more. You can actually see a little bit of the difference here. You can actually see where there's no, there's a rounded edge instead of a chamfer like you've got on this one. And again, this one sticks out quite a bit more. So the new one was fixed again with a lot more protrusion.